Hello, this is Colin Brazendale, and this is another update on Zukul.com. Zukul.com is an auto trading robot with a very good affiliate networking marketing program behind it. And in this video, I want to just show you my journey of the Zukul trading bot. In my previous video, I showed you how I or renewed my membership. You can see I've still got 1 month and 1 day. I renewed about 4 days before it expired. And then you can see I've got people in my different funnels here. Here's my earnings so far from my from referring other people, and also from the spillover, because about half of these people here is from spillover I received, and they went into my funnel earnings. And then there's also 50% matching bonus from my directs. I earn 50% whatever they earn, which can also grow to a nice income later on. But to go back to the bot, or the main reason for this video is in the last 3 days since I made the video, the market tumbled heavily. Okay, let me just show you the last. This is I always use bitcointicker.co. This is quite a nice website showing you just a quick graphs. You can't make complex settings on this graph, but I just use it to check the price. But anyway, like in the last day and a half, the Bitcoin has made a rebound and it's made a higher low here, which is good. And I watched Tone Vays, and he says that he expecting us to go up to 7,000, but the downtrend is still in place according to him. And that's why I made the big decision to all the bots I created in May. It's the 15th of June today, but most of my bots I created in the first or second week of May. I don't know why there's got that line there now. Let me just go to the... Okay, this is the top. There was 9,800, and that was the 5th of May. And I started off in the beginning of April. I just made one bot, and I did very well while the market was going up. And then I added more funds. I started with $300, then I went up to almost $3,000 now. And then I added, but then this downtrend happened, and what I've learned from how the bot trades is that when the market is falling like that, the number of lots that you've allocated to the bot starts to run out if it's only one-way traffic, like we've seen here. This can happen again, but I hope it will not happen soon. But if it's all one traffic, then the bot doesn't perform that well, because what it needs is it needs this uptrend, but it needs to go down, and then it needs to go up again. It likes the up and down movement, not this one-way traffic down. So because I started most of these bots at the top of the market, and it went all the way just down, I started running out of lots about here. That is, say the middle of May, or the third part of May. And then I start selling, my lots that was bought right at the top here. And that caused my bots to make, losses, or the bots, my last 4 bots to start making big losses. And then I had to decide, am I going to try and chase those losses, or am I going to terminate my bots and start over? So yesterday I terminated one bot, and I decided I'm going to terminate the other 3 bots as well. And then I'm going to wait for the market to stabilize, and then I'll switch on the bot again. So if I go to my bot settings, trading dashboard, one thing you need to remember is that the Zukul bot will never sell at a loss. It will wait for the price to recover or go above the minimum return you set the bot up to make in the beginning before it will sell. But there is no stop loss with the Zukul bot. So if it buys here, it will keep that position right at the top at 9,800 all the way down. It will just keep it. Only if the price goes all the way up to above 10,000, then it will sell it. But I feel, although I'm a new trader and you should do your own thing and not copy me. You should find out for yourself, because it's not trading advice or anything. I'm just showing my journey in Zukul Trade. Or with the Zukul trading bot. But I decided for myself, I'm gonna start selling these lots that are in a bad shape or have got big losses, so that I can buy in again. But that is very risky, because you don't know. When I started selling my first lot, say I didn't know that we were going all the way down to 6,000. At 8,000, I thought, okay, hopefully we'll go up again to 10,000. But, so the bot just kept onto those lots and I started selling. As soon as I start realizing we're going down lower and lower. And there is talk that we might go even lower from 6,600 to say 4,000 or 5,000. So, I decided yesterday I'm going to sell my losing bots. Let me just show you. My first 4 bots are still in profit, but they're still holding on to positions that are in negative territory at the moment. But I decided I'm going to see that as my long-term holding position. But my bots, I did realize a lot of I sold a lot of lots here manually. So that I've still got lots left. So in my Bitcoin, I've got 4 lots left. In my Zcash, I've got 2 lots left. I've got 2 lots left in my Ripple Bitcoin Cash. I've got 2 lots. And then, I deleted or terminated 1 bot, and the other 3 bots I'm going to terminate as well. So you can see I started selling these lots. I've only got 2 lots left here. In Dash and Bitcoin Gold and in Bitcoin Cash, I've got 1 lot left. And with me selling all those lots, I've got a minus $60 here, minus $90, minus $83, which is quite heavy because of this market going down like it did. And then my last one is my Ethereum one, which is my newest bot. These are all my terminated bots. You can see my first 3 was I didn't set it up correctly with her, and I terminated them. But this is the first bot that I've terminated with a loss, and that's minus $44. So overall, my losses account to minus $173 dollars, but that's out of a holding of about. It was, because I terminated, this came lower, so that was out to $2,700. So overall, maybe not that bad. It's about 5% out of my total. I've taken a loss, but this is, like I said, it's all. I decided to take the loss. It's not the bot that took the loss. I decided to sell those lots. So this one I've terminated yesterday just to check it out, and. With the other bots, I terminated them in a different way. I terminated them without selling my lots. But if you do it that way, you need to go into your Zcash account or not Zcash, your SEX exchange, and go manually and sell those currencies. Because if you go to finances and you click on balances, you'll see all my different cryptocurrencies here, and this is what the bot bought. So if I terminate my Bitcoin bot, this will still be there. So I need to go in here and manually go and either withdraw it or sell it in the open market to exchange that to dollars, because the bot needs dollars to trade. So the easy way I found to terminate a bot is, I'm going back to my active bots. And for instance, let's go to the Bitcoin Cash. I've got one position left there. Of course, I sold the other yesterday. So I'll just go to view details. And here you can see the one position that's left. It's on minus $13 here. And this is the position that I've got left. So if you, let me just go back again. I'll show you the positions or the different things that you can do with the bot. So when you go here, you can see I'm on sell only. I don't want the bot to buy now because, like I said, I believe the prices are going down even further. So I don't want to take new positions now. So I'm manually intervening into this auto bot. But you can leave it and just let it go. So it's my choice to manually intervene here. But here you can go in and you can pause the bot. You can release buy. So if I release a buy, it will start buying again. When it thinks it's a good time to buy, I can pause the selling. So if the market is one way direction up instead of down, you can say, okay, don't sell at all. I'll decide when to sell. So you can pause the selling, you can close the bot, and you can terminate the bot. When you click on close the bot will sell your positions automatically when it's in a profit. So it's out of your hands when you click the close bot. But I want to terminate my bot, but I don't want to terminate it right here. I want to first close all the current positions that I have, because I think it's a better way or easier way to terminate your bot. So I'm going to go into view details. And I'm not even going to bother about the price. You can see the price is still falling here over the last 8 hours. So I'm just going to sell this position. Now you can see I've got no more lots left. Here's all my previous. I can see here. Okay, so that position I sold at a 24% loss, which is quite heavy, unfortunately. But it's only a small position. It was a $53 position. Okay, I increased my lot sizes before I decided to I'm going to terminate my bots. But anyway, that's other lesson, to merge some of your lots. So here's the position I sold right now. There's a date. It's the 15th of June, 39 minutes past 8. And here's my total loss for that bot. So it will keep the records of that, so I can update my spreadsheet so that I can keep log of my actual profit and loss. So you can see the bot is still here, but all I'm going to do now is I'm going to scroll down to terminate bot, and then you agree to terminate, because after this is, you cannot change anything after you've terminated. If it's terminated, you can't touch this bot again. You can download the logbook here of all your orders. I haven't done that. I'm not too bothered about it. And then, so if I click this button here, it will terminate the Bitcoin Cash bot. I've got 2 Bitcoin Cash bots, but yeah, this one I'm going to terminate now. So I'm just going to click on agree. And let's see what happened. Okay, it's gone. So I've got 2 more bots here. I'm going to delete these 2 bots now as well. The other thing that I wanted to show you was what I was considering was when I go into this bot here, for instance. Let me just move my window there. Oh, it's still in the way. I can merge, and that's what I did initially. I thought, okay, let me merge these, all my lots, and then add more funds to my bot and try and gain that losses that I've made. So this is my dashbot. My total losses so far, if I go to the dashboard, on the dashbot is $60. So I can try, and I've got 3 lots available here. I thought one of the options was to try and chase that $60, but I thought it's going to be, if I see that, it's going to be a negative, psychologically, I think it's going to be negative. Let me just terminate it and start over. To try and chase that, I'm going to keep book on my spreadsheet anyway of those losses. So to try and chase those, to make up that loss now, it's just going to be a negative element to my experience. So, that is what I was considering yesterday, to add more funds, because I've only got $282 in this bot. So the one option was to add, say, another $100 here. I'll have more lots available and then trade with those lots until I made a profit here. But then I'll be sitting with that loss the whole time, watching that loss. I thought, no, I'm not going to do it that way. But let me just show you how to merge your lots then. So I go to view details, and you simply just click on these two, and then you click on merge lots. So you'll see it's $57 each. So if I merge, it will be $114 lots after that. So just confirm that. So there you can see I've got one lot of $114. So I can add more funds to this to this bot now and trade with lots of $114 each. But I'm not going to do that. Like I said, I'm going to terminate this bot as well. So it's nice. I see the dash price went up now again. But yeah, I'm not going to waste your time now, but I'll do that in my own time. So next time when you see me, you'll only see, the ones that are still in profit. And, what I'll do is, as soon as I feel I'm ready, I'll add 4 new bots, because I've got the funds available here now, to add those new bots. So yes, that is basically the big news, or the big update I've got for you after this terrible run that Bitcoin had, over the last month and a half. If I listen to some of the commentators, some of them, even the guys that predicted that we're going to go down, they didn't expect us to go down this fast. You can see in the last month, we went down very sharply, and they're expecting now us to make a rebound, to say 7,000, which is about here. We can go higher again, but they say long term, it might go even lower. But, so at the moment, I'm sitting at an overall loss of almost $200. Which is not good, but I think it's a great learning experience, and it's not that bad that I've lost all my money. The $2,700 that I've put in, I haven't lost all of that. I still have that money, and I'm learning, and I think the Zukul bot has learned me a lot about trading as well. And but you can use the Zukul auto trading bot totally on auto trade, but I decided to sell my lots if I think it's gone too far in a negative. But yes, I haven't perfected my own strategy yet. I'm still learning. But the other thing that I want to show you was the affiliate system. The affiliate system of Zukul is brilliant, because you can join this just as an affiliate or as an internet marketer, and refer people to this and not use the bot. It's going to cost you the same. If you use a bot or not use a bot, it's going to cost you the same. Oh no, let me just make a correction there. There's a new rule. You've got to pay about $20, and you can use the marketing suite and benefit from the referral program. So if you join, you still got to pay the minimum $10 for the first or the smallest bot. And then to use the marketing suite, you've got to pay $20 per year. So that's not too bad. So I'm still going to recruit, and I'm still going to, because I feel you can still make money with Zukul even without the trading bot. But if you want to just trade, you can just trade and just use it as a trading and not refer people at all. And then you just rent the bot and pay the monthly a rental fee for the bot, and then use it that way. So you can do one or the other, or you can do both. I decided to do both. Yeah, I'm still going to look to build my team. So far, there's more and more people joining. So there's a lot of, at the moment, I'm seeing a lot of spillover, and that benefits my funnel earnings. The affiliate earnings, that is from people that I refer direct. I'll be earning from that, and also the 50% matching bonus also from the people that I refer direct. So it's in my interest to also help those people. I will obviously show those people what I do to promote Zukul.com and the Zukul bot. And then, because if their business grows, I'll benefit as well, because I'm earning 50% from their returns. So yeah, that's been quite a long update, and yeah, that's basically, I wanted to show you my update on Zukul, and what the trading bot has done, and how to terminate a bot, basically. So I'll be terminating those other 2 bots, then I'll only have 4 bots left, but I'll have a capacity, or I'll have funds available to create 4 new bots now. But yeah, so I trust that the cryptocurrency world, this is one-way traffic down, just like it was one-way traffic up in 2017. It wasn't sustainable. We're all back to reality. But as soon as everything is stabilized and come to the real world, or everybody's come to terms with all the negative and the positive, I think everybody will calm down, and the cryptocurrencies will always be there. And yeah, the bot will be able to trade much more profitable as soon as we move sideways, or not these dramatic downs that we've seen in the last 2 months. I think it was extreme downward, a bear market that we've been in. We might go lower, we might go up again, but yeah, sometime I'll decide to switch on my buying of the bot again. But for now, I just want to check it out and see what the market is doing. But yeah, I try to follow the guys on YouTube. There's Tone Waves that I follow. I highly recommend you also follow him for long-term views on the market. And then short-term views is the chart guys, Dan from the chart guys. I also follow him every day on his take. So yes, but yeah, if you've got any questions, please comment below. If you want to join my team, I'll put my affiliate link below in the comments. And then if you obviously join my team, I'll help you to get set up. And yes, I'm recording this so you can see what I'm doing, what my experience is with trading. I'm new to trading, but the robot has learned me a lot about the market and trading, and I hope you also learn a lot about that. And this is not trading advice. I'm just recording my experience with Zukul.com and the trading bot and the affiliate program, obviously. So yes. Once again, thank you for watching. Please give us a thumbs up if you found this helpful. If not, you can give me a thumbs down. It will help my YouTube channel a lot. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you want to follow my progress in Zukul. I've got a playlist on Zukul and the Zukul bot if you want to see my other videos. So yes, so that's bye for now. Thank you. Bye-bye.